Minister, the trolley crisis has continually escalated under Simon Harris's tenure as Minister for Health. Last year we saw the largest number of patients ever on trolleys in the history of the state, almost 100,000 patients last year, and this year the trajectory is going the same way. And as winter approaches, Minister, the number of citizens is again beginning to rise. Yesterday we seen that there was 542 citizens lying on trolleys in hospital wards and A&E departments across our hospitals across the state. Today the number is 507, and if that trend continues as we approach the winter months, then we are going to see absolute chaos in our hospitals the length and breadth of this state. So, Minister, what I'm asking you is, will you commit to publishing the winter initiative? Will you commit to fast-tracking it before the winter months come in, and we will try to avert as much as possible this crisis, given that this government has sat in its hand, hasn't dealt with the issues that are at the core of it in terms of capacity and in terms of staffing, retention and recruitment of our workers.
Minister.
Yeah, I very much regret the distress, upset and trauma being experienced by people in our overcrowded emergency departments up and down the country, and it causes difficulty not only for the patients themselves, but also for the families, and of course it stresses people who are working on the front line. I do want to acknowledge, however, improvements in the what has been regarded as the trolley count, and I also want to acknowledge, as part of Budget 19, an additional sum of €10 million being provided to prepare for the expected demands over the winter months. So I want to assure the Deputy Minister Harris is fully engaged on this issue and will be in a position to address the specifics if required by way of topical issue or other more appropriate.